your puny 15 megaphones could destroy a town? Oh boy, I'm afraid of what's gonna happen to North America. Somebody once told me the world was gonna roll me. I hate the sharpest tool in the shed. Somebody once told me. Alright, 2 wasn't good enough. Looks like we gotta do, let's do 4. Ah! Prepare the cannon! Gosh dang it! We still didn't break the glass! We need more! Guys, comment, is this a dog or a bear?
It's a bear.
We hit it with the 8 megaphone cannon, and she's still standing sturdy. That's it! Double the megaphones! 16! Alright, Jake Paulers, do I have a treat for you? Like I said, Bart Simpson used 15 megaphones in this meme. We have 16 lined up right here. Dude, honestly, if the world does not explode right now, I'm gonna be very angry. I will need that.